Hello YouTube, welcome back. Um, Here we are on another dull and dreary day. It's been grey outside, it's been raining. This is September 2022 and most of the world has been drenched in rain. It's been grey weather everywhere. So here's something to just perk up our mood a little bit. So I have the Sony WF-1000XM4. So this is the flagship earbuds from Sony with noise cancellation. The previous generation was the XM3s and they were already pretty good. I don't have them. My workhorse has been the Jabras, so I wanted to replace it. So yeah, these were working great. I mean, they've served a lot. They've been very faithful, but it's time to replace them. So the XM4s comes with noise cancellation. My previous one didn't have noise cancellation, so that's an upgrade from what I had. And the battery life is a big up. It's now 8 hours and 16 hours in the case. A lot of things. I'll talk about the features in a minute. So let's start with a quick unboxing. So Sony has moved to environment friendly packaging. If you do believe in it, well, this is use and throw packaging that is environment friendly. So there's not too much. It's a very simple, I think this is cardboard. It's very tough cardboard box which you can throw away, and it's biodegradable, I guess. So this is the earbuds, and oh, the earbuds are on the other side. Interesting, maybe I opened it wrong. Okay, I'll get into that. On this side we have the usual material. It talks about how to use the headphones, the warranties, 360-degree audio, and some good stuff that you should be reading if you plan to use it. And a simple charging cable on one side. This is a USB Type-C, and this goes into the cases connector. And interestingly, on a flagship earbud, Sony has actually cut down on the number of ear tip options that we have. So we just have two options, small and large. The reason they've cut down is, of course, one is the environment. They probably figured out that most people are not using all the options. The other main reason is actually they've changed the material of the ear tips. This is foam, so this is something like the Comply foam tips, so you can squeeze it and it can fit most ears. So depending on the type of ear you have, I think one of these ear tips should work for you. So that's on this side of the case. So let's look at the actual earbuds. So this is it, a very small case. So I was surprised to find this small. This is much smaller than the XM3s, and it's about the same size as my Jabra but slightly wider. So this is very yeah, wonderful size to just carry around. Simple packaging. Again, the focus is entirely on the product now, so they've stopped focusing too much on the materials and wrappings. Let's get this out of the way. Yeah, it's wonderful matte finish, so doesn't catch fingerprints. There's the Type-C charging cable, and this holds about 25 hours of charge in the case. And let's look at the earbuds. Wow, yeah, it's bigger than I was expecting. So most of the reviewers and most of the websites say that they are small, but the ones that I had, the Jabras, were actually sleeker. But then of course the Sonys do a lot more. So if you look at the Jabras, they are sleeker, or at least it has this reclined shape here that makes it look sleek. But yeah, nevertheless, on first looks this looks sleeker, but actually it's not. There's a big bump on the edges here, and Sony has carried it all over the earphones itself. So there's a protector that kind of doesn't allow the earbuds to charge until you buy it. There it goes. Yeah, this is the connectors, the charging connectors, and there's also some amount of sensors built into the earphones itself. So this senses the proximity. If you plug it into your ears, it knows that okay, you plugged it in. Yeah, it comes with a default medium tip, so the large and small are in the case, but the medium ones are already here. This should work for most people, and it comes with a charge. So I'll just be doing a sound demo quickly, but before we go to the demo, this particular video is only about an unboxing. So this is the case. small LED indicator which tells you if the case has charge left in it. Very nice case. I mean, I like the matte feel and the simplistic minimal look. I mean, I love it. This is nice. I love the case. The earbuds or something I need to get used to. It's slightly bigger than what I'm used to, but looks good. Again, matte finish. There are two touch sensitive surfaces. It basically controls your volume up, down, and then tap to pause, resume. And yeah, I'll go through the features in the next video, but this one is just about a simple unboxing. So this is it, the new Sony WF-1000XM4. I don't know why Sony picks up this kind of numberings. Why don't you give it a nice name, Sony? I hope you're listening. But this is it, guys. I'll see you in the next video with a sound demo. Thanks for watching.